both of the sides. I call nerve trap. It's easy. Don't worry. I'm not gonna touch it again. I'm not gonna play with your pain. I don't like it. I know the way. I do it once or twice. I understand. She have a problem. Don't worry. Let me see how bad you are. Slowly. This is the maximum, yeah? Okay, let's leave it down. Let me see this way. Okay, whoa. Here I can. We are in serious pain, but why you left it so long? See, that's okay. This is not good either, but it's not both of the sides. It's a little bit better.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Don't worry. You'll be okay.
Yeah.
I will do my best.
Thanks
You will
very
feel
much.
okay. You can.
Yeah.
You will feel. This is the pops you will feel. Everything's
Yeah.
going to be fine. Nothing else is perfect. Good. Alright. I know. Let me see. Okay.
Oh.
Nice. I know. Everything's good. You're okay. Good. So far, so good. Nice work.
Yeah.
Let me see how far you can go with this one here. Relax. Perfect. Good. Okay, now I want to see your barrier. How far you can go with your. See, okay, you're completely blocked. See, that's the maximum you can go.
Oh.
Nice one.
Did you hear that?
I heard that, but you hear it too.
Oh. It's just to see there, it's caught, you know.
I know. Let me see this way. Okay, rest. Okay, relax. Up your head, relax.
Oh, God bless us. Did I? I'm taking you to live with me.
Stay there. Don't worry. Okay. Och det där med jag känner att det skär det till dem. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Relax, loose. Relax. I'm just going to see that. Okay, here. Up, relax, loose. Perfect. Relax. Okay, go. Do me a favor. Cross your fingers over your head, please. Can you cross your fingers over your head? Hold it there. That's it. Cross them. That's it. Perfect. Leave it there. Okay, don't worry. Open a little bit slowly. I know you have a pain here. Okay, leave it with me. Close your elbows. Close your elbows. That's it. Relax. Loose. Nice. I know it's sore. It's gonna go. Don't worry. I know. Oh yeah. We went in stage 2, I call it, you know? Stage 1 is much quicker. Stage 2 is getting... Stage 3 is the worst. But you're not bad. It's okay. Stage... Don't worry.
That's good, isn't it? Jeez.
I know, you feel good. Don't worry. Let me see from the moment where we are. Leave it down. Can I have your hand? Leave it down.
Oh, so it's caught there.
I know. Here. Okay. Okay, at least we lift them up slowly, you know? It's okay. Don't worry. Let me see this way. Okay, a little better this one here.